Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are well. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I transformed this expression braiding hair from straight to coily using the Africa threading method and hot water. So I'm going to separate the hair into small sections and I'll comb through the hair, which is very important. I'm going to grab the thread and start threading half an inch away from the hair. I'm going to do 2 times tight, and then after that I'm just going to be wrapping the thread around the hair. This time around you want to make sure it's a loose threading method, like really loose, because you don't want it tight. If you do it tight, you won't be able to pull the hair away from the thread when you get to the tip of the hair.
Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy say she give me pommy. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so.
So when you get to this part, you're going to pull the hair away from the thread. So this is the reason why you don't want to do it too tight, because if you do that, you won't be able to pull the hair away from the thread and to get the perfect curl that you want. So now you're going to tie the hair like 2 to 3 times to keep it safe. I'm basically going to repeat the same thing all through the hair, and this took me less than an hour to finish up this process. So if you watch my previous video on how I did this braidless crochet on her very short hair, I told you guys I was going to coil the hair after having it straight for a week, but unfortunately I couldn't do it because my friend ran off with her big head and came back 2 weeks later. And when she came back, I was also busy, so I couldn't do it at that time. So this is 1 month after having the hair straight. I actually did this hair on the 11th of February and I coiled it on the 10th of March, which is 1 month after. And as you can see, the hair is still looking really clean and new. In case you're wondering how she kept the hair to look this new for 1 month, all she did was apply oil on the hair and then brush it out every day.
Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I so she give me on the nigga.
I'm going to leave the video on how I installed this crochet braid somewhere in the description box and on the screen as well, so you can check it out right after watching this one. So after threading the entire hair, I'm going to pour hot water in a small plate and start putting each of the hair inside the hot water one after the other. So this is the part where you want to be very careful. Make sure you don't do it yourself. Give it to someone you trust very much to help you. Make sure it's someone you trust. I repeat, don't give your hair to someone you don't trust so they don't burn your scalp and tell you it was a mistake. Okay? So during this process, you might end up missing 1 or 2, which is not a problem, as you can always rethread it, put it in hot water and take out the thread right immediately. You will see what I'm talking about when I start taking down the thread. To take down the thread, you're going to cut out the tip right from where you tied it, and the remaining thread will go off easily. Now you see what I'm talking about. This tool didn't coil properly. It is either I didn't put it in hot water or the water wasn't hot enough. I'm going to take down the entire hair. so I'll be able to see the ones that needs to be coiled again, and I'm just going to thread those ones, put them in hot water and take down the thread right immediately.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel love my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb buck like them are watching. They are free of one thing. Bad man, what you say? Standard.
I've been to many places, but I've never seen nobody like you, girl. Like you, girl. I've been around the world, never seen a girl like you. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh. Baby, me go on it. Say, baby, me just go on it. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh. Baby girl, I know you know me, yeah. Say I'm balling 2-3 like Jordan, yeah. I'm from the west side, they call.
So now that I've succeeded in coiling the entire hair, I'm going to apply olive oil to the hair. Olive oil is totally optional. You can use any oil of your choice. And I'll start unraveling the hair, starting from the bottom of the hair down to the tip.
You're a red gem. Don't mind what they say, don't say them. I've been to Rwanda, Uganda, Ghana, Morocco, Toronto, once away to. But I've never ever seen niggas so fine like you. No, I've never ever seen niggas so nice like you. And truly, you got that booty that can rule me. If love is a crime, you can sue me. So come to you with a guy like me. No, you never ever find another guy like me. I'm bad like that, no other guy like me. I'm a boss man, that's the guy I be. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Let me show you the coco. Say 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Let me show you the coco. I've been around the world, never seen a guy like you. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh. Baby, me go on it. Say, baby, me just go on it. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh.
Yeah! Are you ready now? Let's go!
As you can see, guys, the coils look really amazing. Amazing is the word for this coils that you're seeing right here. And of course, we are going to trim out those excess long hair that is hanging around. I'm going to apply styling mousse to keep the coils in place for a longer period, and you want to do this every once in 2 to 3 days so that your coils will continue to pop. So that's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Baby girl, I know you know me, yeah. Say I'm balling 2-3 like Jordan, yeah. I'm from the west side, they call the best side. Come beside by my side, baby girl, let's ride. You got a body so hot, I could get fortified. I'm what you want, girl, cause you find die. And anything you want, girl, me, I'm gon' buy. You got a big booty, see your hips don't lie. Damn, baby girl, what's up?